In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print reports in Freshbooks. Whether you're looking to share with a colleague or just need a hard copy for reference, printing reports is an essential task that can be done effortlessly once you know the steps. Let's dive into the process of printing reports from your Freshbooks account. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Freshbooks website. This is where all your business accounting and invoice details can be managed. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right of the page where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you'll need your email and password to access your Freshbooks account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter that information as well. Doing this ensures that your data remains secure while you access your reports. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Freshbooks dashboard. Here's where you can manage everything from your expenses to your invoices, but today we're focusing specifically on reports. Look to the left sidebar and find the section labelled Reports. Clicking on this will take you to a comprehensive list of all the report types available to you. Reports are a great way to get insights into your business performance, and they're all organised here. Next, you'll want to find and click on Invoice Details. This specific report gives you detailed information about your invoices, including who you've sent them to and whether they are paid or outstanding. Reviewing this report can be incredibly useful for financial tracking and client management. Now that you've accessed the Invoice Details report, we're almost ready to print. Look for an option called More Actions within the report interface. Clicking here will open up additional functionalities that you can perform with your report, such as exporting or printing. Finally, in the More Actions menu, select Print. This will bring up your browser's print dialog box. Make sure your printer is connected and configured correctly, and double check that you've selected the correct settings such as page size and orientation. Then just hit print and your hard copy will start printing immediately. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily print your Freshbooks reports. Having printed reports can enhance meetings, make presentations more dynamic, and ensure you have backups of important documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your business with Freshbooks.